G'day guys, today I'm super excited to do the unboxing for this monster Nikon 50mm F1.2S. An expensive lens, very expensive, heavy, chunky, and this lens has been introduced 4 years ago, but it had been anticipated by a lot of photographers and videographers, and today I'm so happy to share all the hands-on experience with you guys, and I hope you like it. Please stay tuned and check all the pictures and videos that I've taken with this monster, with this elephant, I can say. I hope you like it. Thank you.
Let's begin with this lady. At 300%, the image appears tack sharp and becomes even more annoyingly sharper at higher zoom levels. And here are the happy couple in the mud. Look for me, the photographer, somewhere in the frame, spot on. And Indy, the 18-year-old mother cat with her sharp whiskers. Perfect for night and astrophotography with its gate open to gather light. The 50mm F1.2S is a powerful background obliterator. Perfect lens for all indoor and outdoor music gatherings and live performances. Magical power for the starry night sky, chasing satellites. Capturing the beauty of nature and this lovely lake from dusk until dawn. Now let us start the unboxing the legendary Nikon 50mm F1.2S lens. There is an excessive amount of plastic and protective bubble wrap, as usual. What's this? Oh, come on, Nikon. For such an expensive lens, what is this? A pouch? Seriously? Scrooge. Let me open the box of curiosity. Oh, I like it. It protects the goodies. As usual, there are numerous papers and manuals and documents that we do not even read. Alright. Let's see. Okay. I don't want to read it now. Alright. I'm gonna touch her for the first time in her clothes. I always keep everything in its original packaging just in case I decide to sell it one day. Just in case. What's this? Wow. My first impressions, it's so solid build and premium feel. I noticed the rugged, weather-sealed construction. Focus ring is smooth and very precise. Filter thread looks like 82mm, perfect for expensive polarizers and ND filters, though I do not recommend as it compromises the quality. Nano crystal and our neocoat minimizes flare, and apochromatic design reduces chromatic aberrations. 9 rounded aperture plates. Alright, let me cap it back. 17 elements in 15 groups, including 2 ED glass and 3 aspherical lens elements, 3 ED glass elements for stunning clarity, enhancing contrast, color accuracy. Doesn't surprise me why it is so heavy. An air blower, an essential item in every photographer's possession. This is how I change my lens. First, I use an air blower to clean both the lens and the camera in a meticulous manner. If you own a Nikon Z8 or Z9, it should come with a sensor shield. I ensure that I turn on this shield and turn it off after changing the lens to minimize shield wear. I also ensure that the camera lens has facing downward to minimize dust entry. Additionally, I turn off the air conditioning and use a bright LED light to check for dust in the air before changing the lens. Yes, I know, it's too much, but you would feel me if you are a camera lover. Now let's explore the difference between f4 and f1.2 in the dark room for videography to find the difference. At the moment, this is f4. 3.5, 3.2, 2.8, 2.5, 2.2, 2, 1.8, 1.6, 1.4, 1.3, and finally f over 1.2. You can more clearly distinguish the difference here. f1.2 is approximately 10.25 times brighter than f4 in optic science. The difference is more pronounced in dark environments, such as this one. But let us see why. It all has to do with the aperture area decreases in inverse proportion to the square of the f-stop number, where t is the light transmission. Another much darker example: f4, f3.5, f3.2, f2.8, f2.5, f2.2, f2.0, f1.8, f1.6, 1.4, f1.3, and finally f1.2. The 50mm f1.2 lens creates breathtaking bokeh, rendering background blur with creamy smoothness and rounded highlights. Its wide aperture separates subject with stunning depth, producing a dreamy, ethereal atmosphere, perfect for portraits, close-ups, and artistic expressions. This lens delivers captivating visual intimacy, as you can see in these pictures. Let me open my camera box. My Nikon Z8 is at home while she sleeps. In conclusion, the Nikon 50mm F1.2S lens is tailored for perfectionists who demand unparalleled image quality. With its exceptional sharpness, creamy bokeh, and outstanding low-light performance, this lens redefines portrait photography standards. If pixel perfection matters to you and budget isn't a constraint, choose the Nikon 50mm F1.2S. Your images and clients will thank you for sure. While the more affordable 50mm F1.8 is a great option for many, the F1.2S caters to those with pixel OCD, like myself, enthusiasts who scrutinize every detail. Its cutting-edge optics and advanced nanocrystal coat ensure tack-sharp images even at wide apertures. Investing in this lens means prioritizing unmatched center sharpness, smooth, rounded bokeh, excellent low-light capabilities, durability, and weather sealing. For professionals and discerning enthusiasts seeking absolute optical excellence, the Nikon 50mm F1.2S is worth the investment. It's not just a lens, but a tool for creating timeless, gallery-worthy images that meet the highest standards. The things I didn't like, to be honest with you, about this lens are, first, its exorbitant price, and second, my inability to capture waterfall ghosting effect in natural settings. To achieve the ghosting effect with waterfalls and moving water, you need to use a shutter speed of at least 1 second. However, even when using the highest aperture setting of f16 and the lowest ISO of 32, the scene was over bright, preventing me from achieving the desired effect. Please let me know if I missed anything in the comments. What a remarkably professional appearance this beast has. I absolutely love it. Weight is not a concern for me. The LCD is undoubtedly a gimmick and marketing attraction. While I appreciate it, I personally prefer the traditional mechanical gauges. In fact, I do not use this LCD at all. While I do not regret purchasing this lens, I suggest that it may be a better option to allocate that budget towards buying the 50mm F1.8S version and saving the remainder for a super telephoto zoom lens, such as the Nikon Z 180 to 600mm f5.6 to 6.3. Alright, let me clear away the dust so she can sleep in her bed again. Here is her sleep mask and sweet dreams, Empress of Light. Thank you for watching and see you around.